Today's video guys, magpiprepare ako ng dinner na naman namin. This is, I cut it up in like barbecue size. And this same also, this is pork and this is chicken for my grandkids. And this is for my son and me. And I don't know who wants this one. This one, I'm gonna marinate it in Caribbean jerk with papaya sauce. This one, I'm gonna do this chicken barbecue teriyaki. This one, Caribbean barbecue. So we're just gonna put it all here. It looks so creamy. We just marinate it for a couple of hours before dinner. And this one is the teriyaki. Oh my lordy.